जलग्रहैरनुपमैः कामाभिभङ्गाकुले
सभी देशवासियों को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं पंडित दिनेश शर्मा, राहुल जी का छोटा सा सिपाही। मैं पिछले 12 वर्ष से बिना चप्पल के प्रण लेके चला हुआ हूँ कि जब तक हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय श्री राहुल गांधी जी नहीं बन जाते, मैं इस सेवा को लगातार जारी रखूंगा। और ये सेवा के बीच में भारत जोड़ो यात्रा की शुरुआत हुई 7 सितंबर 2022 से, जिसमें हम सब जो कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर तक चल रहे हैं भारत यात्री, उनमें से मैं भी छोटा सा राहुल जी का सिपाही भारत यात्री हूँ। हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हर ऊंचाई से बढ़ के ऊंचाई पे मैं जाऊं और देश के तिरंगे को फहराने का काम करूं। हम आपको बता रहे हैं, हिंदुस्तान जोड़ता हुआ कश्मीर में जाके जब हम इकट्ठा होंगे तो जनसलाब उमड़ेगा। बहुत प्यारा सभी का, सब देशवासी मिल रहे हैं, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई हर जाति का लोग राहुल जी से मिल रहा है, मोहब्बत करता है और ये देश एक होके हिंदुस्तान को ताकत देगा। जय हिंद।
The political situation in one simple term is divisive. My name is Dr. Nausheen Baba Khan. I have led few movements in Kolkata, say anti-NRC, anti-CAA and farmers movement. Communal disharmony का एक chip पीछे लगा दिया. Even if you do not want to think, you are being forced to think in that angle. We have responsibilities towards our generation, towards our kids. We cannot let lie get into their brains. The youth have no job. The unorganized sector is just crumbled. It's the draconian laws, farmers bill, so many issues. The notebandi has broken the backbone of the economy. और इतना फंड जाता कहाँ है? पीएम केयर फंड थोड़ा सा दिखा दीजिए, हमें भी दिखा दीजिए। कितने माइग्रेंट लेबर मरे उसका कागज दिखा दीजिए। जीएसटी, ये जो काला धन आया कहाँ गया उसका कागज दिखा दीजिए। जिस तरीके से वायलेंस होता है औरतों के खिलाफ, सो दिस हैज टू बी काउंटर्ड। बट देयर इज वन पर्सन इन दिस नेशन that will stand by your causes, and that's RG. The leader of this campaign knew जड़ कहाँ है। बीजेपी तो है, the जड़ is RSS.
इस यात्रा का लक्ष्य जो बीजेपी और आरएसएस हिंदुस्तान में नफरत और हिंसा फैला रही है, उसके खिलाफ खड़े होने का है।
All of us should stand behind him and support him. This man has emerged beating all odds, and my conscience stays there to be with him, to stand in solidarity no matter what. I would not call this a yatra. It is a movement. Even if you cannot walk from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, you have to at least show your solidarity that you are for the cause. This particular campaign has given very positive, very progressive hope, and people like us should take it a long way.
I am Savita Hiremat. I am actually an independent journalist and solid waste management activist. Whatever Mr. Rahul is doing for the country is very beautiful, and the message that he is sending out is so appealing for a country that has been now riddled with so much of hatred and violence. This is so unprecedented, and I really don't think any other politician of whatever party would even dare to think of it. But to see these many people, thousands and thousands of people, we are sick of what is happening in this country and the kind of divisions that are cropping up on a day-to-day basis. This whole country which has lived harmoniously in the past, but what we are seeing currently is something that is gut-wrenching. Farmers talking about all sorts of GST that they are forced to pay. That has hit them really hard. And these are farmers with very small holdings. And how are they going to afford this much of tax burden on them? The price rise. Everybody talks about it, and especially the gas cylinder price, which they were getting at almost 1/3 of the price. And that is something that they are not able to digest, how the common man is being burdened by these many taxes. What's even more intriguing is the fact that why are they so silent? There is a time when I think, okay, we can't get any lower than this. But every day there is a new low. And when will this stop? For instance, recently rape convicts who were released much before their term was over, they came out and these rapists were garlanded, right? Some of the rapists have been promoted to MP or MLA levels. And I have a daughter. What do I tell her? What kind of a secure atmosphere she is going to grow up in? It is a question to be asked to the people. So what are you finally voting for? Is it the person or his ideology or his integrity that you are voting for? That is something people have to think about. I really hope this Bharat Jodo Yatra is sort of energizing that dormant, flame. It is going to bring that to the fore. What we can see is, there is some change that has begun at the grassroots level. This is a once in a lifetime experience. So I'm very proud that I'm in this yatra.
जलग्रहैरनुपमैः कामाभिभङ्गाकुले
इस देश के बागान में कोई एक रंग का फूल नहीं खिलेगा, सभी रंग का फूल खिलेगा।
अभी भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में हम आंध्र प्रदेश में प्रवेश कर चुके हैं। लोगों ने हाथों में आरती की थालियां लिए और फूल बरसाते हमारा स्वागत किया।
यहाँ की भी वादियाँ बहुत खूबसूरत है, बहुत सुंदर से पहाड़ और रास्तों से हम अभी चल के आ रहे हैं।
हम भी जोड़े, भारत जोड़ो, 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 भारत जोड़ो।
I am seeing this yatra as a tapasya in understanding our people, in understanding our land, and in understanding myself. when this bifurcation took place, certain commitments were made to the people of Andhra Pradesh. Those are fundamental commitments, and they are commitments made by the Indian Union, and we think those commitments should be fulfilled. This is a very good starting point to build the Congress party in Andhra Pradesh.
Thank you for walking with us. Thank you for your love and affection. Thank you for your help.